In this scenario, we will demo how to use Z ChatOps to query information about IBM OMEGAMON resources with some examples. Let's see the status of Kixplex. The status of Kixplex is returned. You can see the details such as evaluation status and transaction rate. You can also click the links to see more information. Let's see the details of the Kixplex MBS1. You can see the details of the Kixplex. Let's show the Kix regions. The results for Kix region are returned. Let's see the details of the Kix region CPSMCMP. The details of the CICS region are returned. Let's show the transactions in this Kix region. You can see the transactions in the Kix region. For more information about how to use Z ChatOps to query information about IBM OMEGAMON resources, see our official documentation. Thanks for watching.